Hey everybody, Collectible Card Chick here. Welcome back. Today we're going to be opening up this first partner pack. It's going to include these 3 oversized game cards and 2 packs, our 25th anniversary. I'll show the back too for you guys. All right. So obviously here's our giant cards. They were stuck together. There we go. All right, so inside we've got a Battle Styles and a Sun and Moon. Let's go for the Battle Styles first. Whoa. All right, let's see what we've got. It's sticking to me. Get out of here, energy. As always, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment on my videos. I appreciate everybody tuning in. Whoop. And let's go for pack number 2, Sun and Moon. All right. Let's see if we can get anything good in here. Get out of here, energy. And that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.